Good afternoon to all. I, Dr. Yogesh Agrawal, Professor Mechanical Engineering Department, on behalf of Sage Group, welcome to Dr. Vikas Pare, sir, speaker of today afternoon session. He is Director EduGuide Consultancy Limited Bhopal. I welcome to all the participants of afternoon session. Dr. Pare completed BE, MTech IIT Delhi and PhD from the Man at Bhopal. He is having rich experience of 13 years, more than 13 years, and published more than 10 papers, more than 10 patent published, and will not much more time. I would like invite to Dr. Vikas Pare sir for take off today afternoon session. Sir.
Thank you, Yogesh sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I'm audible?
Yes, sir, audible, sir.
And this screen is, I think, yes. So now I will start. I will not take much time. I will start my presentation about the topic is intellectual property right. So first, I will tell you about what is IPR. It is very burning topic nowadays, and students ask many questions about this, sir. How will go for patent? What is patent? What is copyright? So I have prepared very special this too much example very good presentation I have prepared. That will definitely you will like and you will understand this matter thoroughly. So the this is the process to protect your innovation. Basically, in India, if you compare the patent in other countries in India, you can see the figure. It is very less in India, and even in China, 8th class students apply for patent. But in India, engineering students even don't know about the patent. This is the situation. But now students are taking interest and applying for copyright, applying for patent. So the basic idea behind IPR is protect your creativity. Okay. Now, so go to the next slide. This is basically how different types of what are the different type of offices, design offices, trademark offices in India. The main head office is Kolkata, branch office in Delhi, Chennai, and Mumbai. Its design office in Nagpur. TM registry office is head office Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Ahmedabad, and GI registry office is Chennai. So this is all about our total branch office of all over India about patent, copyright, and trademark. Here we see. First, we'll understand this thing by example. Like suppose you purchase a car, then you applied for registration card. So this is the property, and this is the government system to recognize the property. Similarly, sales deed is the system to recognize the house. Invoice is the system to purchase the computer. So these are the different. Similarly, trademark. We know the company by trademark, like Coca-Cola. We in our mind, this is the symbol in our mind. We know Coca-Cola by its symbol. Similarly, design patent, cycle. Suppose you have designed some new design. So that comes under design patent. Patent for process. Suppose you have designed any process, any unique process by which you are making some new product. So that will be the patent for process. Now this IPR basically classified in 4 types: patent, copyright, trademark, and trade secret. I will explain all these things one by one. What is patent? A patent is a right granted to an inventor by the federal government that permits the inventor excludes others from making, selling, or using the invention for a period of time. The patent is designed to encourage invention that are unique and useful to society. So definitely, suppose you have some idea, but you have to understand that this idea, how much it is suitable for society, how much it is suitable, whether it is unique or not. That first you have to work in this. then you can go for patent. Now patentable items, again the same thing is there कि in where ऐसे कौन सा पेटेंट हम कर दें, मतलब हमारे तो हम कैसे किस तरीके से पेटेंट को अप्लाई करो, तो उसमें देखिए आप फर्स्ट यू सी एग्जांपल ऑफ पेटेंटेबल आइटम, कंप्यूटर सॉफ्टवेयर एंड हार्डवेयर. Abhi, we are looking, many students are making new type of apps and all those things. So that is computer software and hardware, chemical formula and process, drugs, medical devices, furniture design, jewelry, fabrics and fabric designs, musical instruments. These are the patentable items. It means you can out of any these things you can go any idea you have regarding in this matter, you can go for patent. So now again classified, sir, because some students have, sir, I have design idea. So that design idea will go to the design patent. Suppose you have idea regarding utility, so that will go to the utility patent. Similarly, plant. Agar suppose you have designed for, you have some new design for plant, any new thing you have, so that will comes under plant patent. Okay. Now these are the different. Further, if you see here, provisional patent, non-provisional patent, full patent. Actually, what is provisional patent, what is non-provisional patent, and what is full patent, that I will explain you. In provisional patent, basically you will just take, suppose you have some idea and you have some options to improve that. So for this thing, you will go for provisional patent and take some cushion period about 1 year, half month, by which you can develop further this idea and then go for full patent. So this is the basically suppose you have some idea in which you are sufficiently know that okay, I can I have fully completed my work, so then you can go for full patent. But if you have some doubt that you are thinking okay, I will improve this, then you will go for provisional patent. Now I'm talking about little bit about design patent, how this design is there. So it includes, what is it? It includes basically only dimension and some special design that are involved in the invention by the innovator. Design application include dimension as the main part of claim while filling an application. So design patent is very, suppose here we are looking design of for mobile set. Suppose you change any design, so this will go under design patent. So it is very easy type of patent, and most of the students like this type of patent, and they have different many ideas for any new design, and they can go and they can choose this type of patent. Utility patent. Utility patent application include all main things like dimension, working process, functionality of patent, claim when the application is to be filled. Ab dekhiye, this is the difference between design patent and utility patent. In design patent, only the design is included, only the dimension is included, but in utility patent, including dimension, working process, functionality of the patent, that is also comes when you will apply application, when you fill the application. Okay. Granted to protect the unique appearance or design of manufactured objects, such as the surface ornamentation or wall design of the object. So utility patent is a big but that means you have to work more for utility patent, and for design patent only you will work on the design, but in utility patent you will work more on not including design as well as your working process and functionality of patent. So this is the difference between design patent and utility patent. Now we'll discuss the plant patent. Plant patent is little bit different from utility. Here we see it include mainly biological and chemical composition or interconnection of biological command over one another. This also claims some of the chemical composition to perform new tasks is also comes under it. Plant patent involves some of the provisional patent content that means in some cases plant patent file directly in some starts and complication data. It takes about 12 months to just build the patent. So plant patent is basically when you are doing something new, innovation in area of biological and chemical composition, then you will go for plant patent, means which is related to the plant. So that will comes under plant patent. So now you can able to understand the difference between the three things we have discussed: design patent, utility patent, and plant patent. Now by this slide, I think you can understand the difference between design patent, plant patent, and utility patent. Now we are discussing provisional patent. Actually, provisional patent is the way of how you are applying. This is comes under. It is not a type of patent. It is a type of application, type of how you apply for patent. I already talked to you like full patent and provisional patent. Provisional patent is what is the difference? Suppose you want some cushion period of 6 months and half, 1 year, then you can go for provisional patent. In this way, you will just first apply for provisional patent and wait for 6 months or about a year, then you will go for full patent. Okay. Patent filing process. Now most of the student ask, sir, patent मेरे पास बहुत अच्छा idea, how you'll apply, कैसे मैं apply करूँ, क्या करूँ? So this thing will give you the clear cut idea how you will go for patent filing process. First you will make the invention abstract, then invention formation, invention disclosure, area of invention. एरिया आपका क्या है? जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज आपके दिमाग में एक आइडिया है कि मेरे को रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी में कुछ करना है, तो रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी इज बेसिकली योर एरिया ऑफ इन्वेंशन. Then you will see nature of invention. Okay, what is the nature? Nature of invention is energy saving, energy control. Then you will describe the full description of the patent invention. What you are looking. Suppose in energy conservation, lot of many areas are there like wind energy. Okay, then your air wind energy and your hydraulic energy, sun energy. So these are the different area comes under energy conservation. Then you will explain all those idea how you will save the energy, or how you will save the energy and use it from the atmosphere. So and then here you see after that full description of the patent, you will go for the similar existing solution or product availability of the invention. Suppose you have some idea, but that idea already is in the market available. Suppose you have, but you don't know, but you have, once you know the, okay, this is the idea I came in my mind, but you will check with the patent attorney that whether it is available or not, and you cannot go for patent. So once only you have unique idea, then only you will go for the patent. Okay, then advantage, then you have to explain each and everything, like what is your invention and what is the comparison between existing solution, what is the advantage, and how you can implement, and what is the feasibility of the invention. Feasibility, you understand what is the feasibility? Feasibility is suppose you want to save 10 rupees, but it should not be like this. Suppose you are investing 100 rupees and saving already 10 rupees, means in terms of cost we'll see. Okay, now FER is first examination report. Okay, it means it is basically for when you go for a patent, this type of application number you will receive. Means first when you file the patent, this FER, and by FER you will get the application number. So here I am showing the slide in which you can observe right side, my right side, you can see here intellectual property right, and Bharat Sarkar logo is there, then subject is there in which everything is written. So this is the FER that you will find when you will apply for patent. Okay, now here what is a now you can understand what is a legal right, what for and how. Patent is basically for new invention and technical invention, filling of application and examination. How you will get it? By filling of application examination. Then similarly copyright, it is the basically original creative or artistic form. Suppose you have some logo with artistic form, that will comes under copyright, not comes under patent. Okay, and this will also you will get by application filling form. Trademark, for trademark you have, it is basically distinctive identification of product or service. It is only for products or services. First two are not for services. Patent and copyright is not for services. Trademark is for products and services, and for this you have to go for registration. Okay, so trademark is differ from copyright and patent by in this way. Similarly, industrial design. Industrial design means external appearance, shape, and configuration. Here also you will go for registration. Patent is the now what you will get by patent. Here the legal right means recognized owner of the patent by the government, exclusive right, limited territory where filled and granted, and it is its life is about 20 years. So this is the life of the patent. Now here you can see, suppose when we applied for design patent, this type of application number you will get after the acceptance. You can see application number, CBR number, CBR date, and applicant name. Many number of applicants. Sometimes students are कितने applicant हो सकते हैं. इसमें applicants आपके आप जितना बहुत सारे लोगों को करते हैं तो उसमें आपको ये इशू आप क्वेश्चनेबल हो जाता है उसमें कि इतने लोगों ने उसमें क्या किया। तो इसलिए आपका जो एप्लीकेंट नेम है वो आपका 2 से 3 लोग, पता आपका कोई आइडिया है तो आप उसमें से 3 लोगों का ग्रुप बना सकते हैं एंड यू कैन गो फॉर एप्लीकेशन। ओके, then you will here you see in below application status where you everything is there, design accepted and published, general number is also there and general date is also there. So in this way, this type of application design after acceptance, this type of patent application will come from the government. This is the patent certificate that you will receive when your patent will granted. Okay, this type of logo is there and registration design is there. Now we'll discuss about trademark. In this slide, you are looking very different type of logos there, like VIP, Happy Journey. Have you seen this thing? Definitely, many times you have seen this thing. We know the company by trademark. Suppose I can show you by example. Here, this is a very famous example. This is the Nike symbol, and we know the company Nike by this symbol. So this is the trademark. Why company go for this? Because they want to make popularize their product. That's why they go for this type of logo, this type of thing. And for this also they have to register the thing, and then you will go for trademark. Now types of trademark. Here trademark is again different type for to distinguish good. Here example I share. To distinguish service, DTDC. To distinguish good or service by member of an association. To distinguish good or service certified by certified authority, ISI mark. This is also the certification marks, well-known marks, very famous in the market as a result benefit from stronger production. So this is a different type of trademarks. Okay, benefit kya hai? What is the benefit? Then you can understand. It can last forever. मतलब people will know the company by trademark, तो वो उनके दिमाग में ज्यादा रहता है. कंपनी के बारे में हो सकता है कम जानते हो, but they know for the trademark. Okay, then it is a marketing tool, very strong marketing tool, and you can identification of product and services can be hugely valuable. Coca-Cola, you can understand. Now we'll discuss about trade secret. Trade secret is again a very interesting thing. We know the company Coca-Cola, but we don't know the formula of Coca-Cola. Means what is the combination, how this taste is very special taste, unique taste we are getting. So this is basically trade secret. Now we can see trade secret is the type of intellectual property right that comprise formula, practices, processes, designs, instruments, patterns, or complication of information that have inherent economic value because they are not generally known or readily acceptable by others, and which the owner make responsible, reasonable measure to keep secret. A trade secret is any practice or process of company that is generally not known outside of the company. Information considered trade secret gives the company an economic advantage over its competitor and is often a product of internal research and development. So I explained this trade secret. We know the company Coca-Cola. Company Coca-Cola secret trade secret is only known by 7 people. Means their taste, how this taste they are getting. This is only known by 7 people. So this is the trade secret. So company have right to reserve its product and for this they have to go for trade secret. Now copyright. I will explain copyright. Copyright is basically is a procedure, method of or operation or mathematical concept as such as title or short word combination. Music, suppose you have prepared some many new tune you have developed, so that will comes under copyright. Artistic work, that will comes under copyright. Literature work, dramatic work, that will also come under copyright. Sometimes people ask, sir, ये हमने किया है काम, ये unique है, ये किसमें जाएगा? First you have to understand this will come under copyright. You will not go for patent, you will not go for trade secret, you will not go for trademark. Okay. So this is the copyright certificate. Here 7 things are mentioned in copyright certificates: diary number, name of inventor, diary date, literature type, date of application, and date of publication. This certificate is also issued by Government of India, and here you can see copyright certificate. These are the some patent that we have developed. Steering wheel. Here you can see how this if your patent published in US Journal, that will also that is also the benefit that you get. Multifunctional reptile stick. This is our one of the patent. Food testing pen. So this is all about my presentation, and hope you have got a very good idea about the patent, copyright, trademark, trade secret, and definitely you will go for you will definitely understand this thing and apply this thing for patent and copyright. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for your
पार्टिसिपेंट से
attention.
यदि क्वेश्चन है तो पूछ सकते हैं, क्वेश्चन जिसको भी आपको लग रहा है पूछ सकते हैं.
Yes, please ask the question.
Chat
Any question you have?
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, what is the difference between the offline patent and online patent application, and what are the major changes, and what is the effect of cost in it?
Yes, this is very good question you asked. Offline patent and online patent. Basically, you can go for online patent, but in this online patent process, no patent attorney will involve in with you. Actually, that your own responsibility. You will go for, you develop the idea, then online you will go for as per their website they will recommend. You will go, you will fill the application, and you will pay the fees also accordingly. And then this is the online patent. And sometimes you will take the help of patent attorney. Means you will develop the idea, you will involve the patent attorney, and on behalf of you, that patent attorney will file the patent. That is basically offline patenting. So that is the difference. Definitely, online patenting is cheaper because in which only you are there, and offline patenting is little bit costly because you will take the help of patent attorney. But what is the benefit if you take the help of patent attorney? It will be a confirmation that you will receive the patent and all those things, because he has his own experience. He will also apply his experience in your idea, and this will give you benefit. Okay.
Okay, thank you. So one more thing, what is the general cost involved in if we involve any patent attorney in it? A general idea,
Actually, this is also very.
Because sometimes we work with the students, na, so that cost
Yes,
matters in that case.
Yes, definitely matter. Actually, this cost is it is not fixed cost is there. Actually, patent fees for patent application fees is the 1,600 for design patent and 4,000 to 5,000 for utility patent. It is very less. But again, I'm telling you repeat the same thing. Suppose you have some new idea, but you don't know whether others have tried or not for this thing. So you will go for patent attorney. He will help you in a way that you will apply for the patent. Because suppose you have some idea and you have already developed the things, but by very minute change, by with minute change, sometimes patent will cancel also. So that is the risk. But when you go for take the help of patent attorney, he will help you, and for this he will charge something. He will. So it depend upon totally patent attorney. It depends upon but generally they'll take 4,000 to 5,000 for this type of thing.
But fixed rate, it is on bargain basis.
Yes. Because actually, suppose you have idea, but it is not very niche level. Okay, so he will think, okay, what I can do it. Sometimes he also take help from others also. He have some team also. So in this way he will arrange the things for you, on behalf of you. He's doing the work. Try to understand. So it will totally depend upon your one-to-one relation with the patent attorney.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Any other who have
Sir, how we apply for the trademark?
Actually, trademark is you understand what is the difference between trademark and patent and copyright. Trademark is basically you go for registration. Trademark is also it's not a patent. Also, it is basically once you have company, you have to make some logo sort of thing. You're getting my point. That you have to first you prepare, and it should be unique. It should be in an artistic way. Then you can go for trademark. Okay.
What's procedure, sir?
Procedure is very similar to application of patent. Very similar to application of apply the copyright, and will go for trademark, same process is there, but office is different. Here for patent, Kolkata office is there, and for trademark, I already first 2-3 slides I told you that about trademark is basically, I think, in Chennai office is there. So, sir, then you have to go again. You will go for patent attorney, and then you will discuss the matter. You will apply the how you will apply application form is you have to fill. That's okay. That could be that you have to do.
Okay, we will apply by self or जैसे always need of the attorney.
It is better, sir. Actually, it is advisable for you to go to take the help of attorney, because suppose any mistake is there, but it will be you will be more in queue. You will be more in you will unnecessary. You will take further tension. Na? Suppose you will take obviously it's online patent is there. Online trademark is also you can apply. No, there's no you can apply. You can individually you can go for it.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Anyone who asked to queries related to the copyright and trademark? Okay, sir, thank you, sir.
Thank you very much
For
Thank you
giving
very
helpful guidance about the copyright and the trademark management. Here I am giving showing a certificate of appreciation.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
This is the certificate for appreciation from the management side. Thank you a lot, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you to all participants. Anyone who asked the question?
Yes. Yes, बोलिए.
Okay, thank you to all participants. Thank you, sir.
अच्छा. हाँ. ठीक है.
पारे सर, मीटिंग
Yes, sir.
क्लोज कर रहे हैं. Participants.
बिल्कुल. Thank you. Thank you for hearing, and this is a very big topic. You have given the opportunity, so I'm also thankful to all of you. Thank you very much.
Okay, sir. Thank you.